Okay, hello everyone. This is my lab 3.2 submission. The task here was to use Metasploit and Armitage to exploit a vulnerable system. The system we're going to be exploiting is Metasploitable 2. It's an open. Metasploit is it's a pen testing software that lets you test the defense of your network through the MSF console. So actually, we'll be using the MSF console, and then we'll also be using another Metasploit interface, the Armitage, which is a GUI, but we'll do that one at the end. Okay, so first, let me clear this. Okay, so first, actually, I'm on his own. Okay. Okay. So first thing I had to do was start my Metasploit, my Metasploitable box, which I did. Got the IP there. It's actually, let me slide over here. It's right here. IP is 192.168.72.131. So that's the virtual box we'll be tapping into. And from here, we're going to start our MSF console. And while that's loading, I guess I should probably, I'm gonna ping my Metasploitable box just to make sure that it is up and running. It's telling me it is, but I had to do this earlier in the day. Packet sent 4, received 4, excellent. So yep, it is still up and going. All right. So while this is loading, fantastic, and we are in. All right, so this is the Metasploit framework here. So what we're gonna do first is we have to scan the network, scan the targeted network area. So the target network is gonna be the Metasploitable 2 box. So let's do that first. We have to use the DB command in order for this to show up on Armitage later on in this lab. So DB nmap with the versions 192.168.72.131. Okay, let that do its thing. Okay, and it is done. So as you can see here, it is giving us a bunch of ports, the states, the services. Obviously, it's a very Metasploitable 2 is a very vulnerable system where everything is open. The one we're going, well, actually, let's run the services and see. So here we get the host, the port, and the name. And again, as you can see, everything is open. So this was a fun one to exploit. So from here, after some research, I figured out that we're going to exploit port 21, which is a FTP, file transfer protocol port here. So we're going to search FTP. No, we're going to search, we're going to narrow it down. We're going to go search VS FTP because that's the back door that I found. Okay, perfect. So now here, this is what we're going to do. We're going to use this exploit Unix FTP VS FTD PD 234, and it's a backdoor into the Metasploitable box. So we're going to use, I could copy that, or you can just put 0. It's going to load that for me. No payload configured. All right, that's fine. And as you can see, the exploit it's loaded because it is in red here. Okay, so from there, we are going to show our options. So we do have to set our host. So we're going to set our host, and again, we're going to use our exploitable IP here. Okay, and to verify that it's set, show options again, and it is. It's right there. Our host is set. Good. Okay, so from there, all we have to do is exploit it. And vector services and spawn handling, good. It found a shell, awesome. Session was opened. So we are in. It was easy as that. Of course, you're not going to have as vulnerable systems like Metasploit, exploitable, but it's fun to do. And just to verify this, and yes, the IPs match up, so we are good. We are successfully in there. Yep. Okay. Awesome. So that's how you use the MSF console in the command line to exploit Metasploitable 2. So let's exit out of here. And now we are going to use the GUI Armitage. So let's open this up. And we will connect here. Yes. And like I said, Armitage is the graphical user interface that allows you to use the Metasploit framework. So I found this to be so much more convenient and easy, obviously, but it's very user-friendly. We're actually going to use the same backdoor exploit that we just used with the command line. We're just going to use it through Armitage. So we have two hosts here. We have this one right here, 192.168.72.131 is the one we are trying to exploit. So again, we're going to look for that same exploit, the VSFTP, and it's already there. Perfect. And all we're going to do is click and drag it right on there and verify. 421, yes, Argos, yes, launch. Again, it's doing exactly what the MSF console did, only it's separate into a different console here. It's the exploit console. It's created on the shell, and we're in. Oh, right here, yep. This little image showing the screen's now red and it looks like it's being attacked is confirmation that we were successfully backdoored into our Metasploitable box. So both of these tools they were really fun to use, and I had a really good time with this lab. So this was my lab 3.2 submission.